Hello students, welcome to Bishop Academy online classes. Students, in this video part 7 we will study about pregnancy and embryonic development. Students, as you know, after implantation, and implantation is explained by me in previous video. After implantation, a finger-like projection appears on the trophoblast called chorionic villi, which are surrounded by the uterine tissue and maternal blood. The chorionic villi and uterine tissue become interdigited with each other and jointly form a structural and functional unit between the developing embryo and maternal body is called placenta. The placenta provide all types of nourishment and the oxygen and nutrient to the developing embryo, and also removal of carbon dioxide and excretory material which are produced by embryo. The placenta is connected to the embryo through a umbilical cord which help in the transport of substances to and from the embryo. Placenta also act as an endocrine tissue and produces several hormones like chorionic gonadotropins, human placental lactogen, estrogen, progesterone, etc. In the latter phase of pregnancy, a hormones called relaxin is also secreted by the ovary. In addition, during the pregnancy, other hormones like estrogen, progesterone, cortisol, prolactin also secreted, which is essential for supporting to the fetal growth and metabolic changes in the mothers and maintenance of the pregnancy. Immediately after implantation, the inner cell mass of embryo differentiate into an outer layer called ectoderm and inner layer called endoderm, and a middle layer is called mesoderm soon appears between the ectoderm and endoderm, and these three layers give rise to all tissue and organ. In human being, after 1 month of pregnancy, the embryo's heart is formed by the end of 12 weeks. Most of the major organ system are also formed. The first movement of the fetus and appearance of hairs on the head are usually observed during the 5th month, and by the end of 24 weeks the body is covered with fine hair. Eyelids separate and eyelashes are formed, and by the end of 9 months of the pregnancy, the fetus is fully developed and is ready for partition or birth. The process of delivery of fetus or childbirth is called partition. Partition is induced by a complex neuroendocrine mechanism, and the signal for partition originate from the fully developed fetus, and the placenta induce mild uterine contraction called fetal ejection reflex. This triggers the release of oxytocin from the maternal pituitary. Oxytocin brings the uterine contraction for easy childbirth. The mammary glands of female undergo differentiation during the pregnancy and starts producing milk toward the end of the pregnancy by the process called lactation, which is required for nourishment of infants. The milk produced by mother during the initial days of lactation is called colostrum, which contain antibodies, which is also essential to develop resistance for newborn babies. Now we will study in next video chapter 4 reproductive health. Okay, thanks.